Hi friends, welcome to Kids World, my channel. Today I am going to show you a science experiment, bubble in bubble experiment. For this experiment, you need some water, shampoo, straw and sugar. First, take shampoo, add in our water. Now mix it well. Now take sugar, add in our water. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix it well. Now take a liquid and rub on our table like this. Now take straw and blow slowly on our table. First bubble, second bubble, third bubble. Let's do it again. First bubble, second bubble, third bubble. This is bubbling, bubbling, bubble. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.